After a long, hard day at Sodor Cybernetics, Thomas and Vector were finally on their way home.
Flatten my funnel. We sure had fun today, didn't we, Vector?
A2 baby will pass.
You said it.
Then there was trouble.
Come in, Vector, come in. The island of Sodor needs your help. Spencer, the steam engine, has gone berserk. He's transformed himself into a giant robot fighting machine called Megatrain.
Oh, crap.
Please hurry. He's causing confusion and delay throughout the city, not to mention massive copyright infringement issues. Help us, Vector and Thomas. You're our only hope.
Hello, Drew. Buckle up, Vector. This looks like a job for Optimus Prime.
Cool, dude.
Fireboxes, fizzling, boilers, bubble.
One!
Bring the pain.
Now engaging Combiner Class Transformation. Percy. James. Gordon. Henry.
I was hoping you'd say that. On our watch.
It's coasting everywhere.
Now engaging Lift Kit Modification.
You're always so cranky. Now that I'm cross, I'll picture myself for good. Like a ball.
The day was saved by Thomas and his friends, because when Vector comes to Sodor, the adventure never ends.